Welcome to all of you of BSc first year Fishery Science students in online class lecture series of paper first and paper second. In this papers we have studied classification of Pisces up to class level, that is the Berg classification. Berg divided Pisces or fishes into 7 classes. Class first Pterichthys, class second Quackestae, class third Acanthodi, class fourth Elasmobranchi, class fifth Holocephali, class sixth Dipnoi, and class seventh Teleosto. In these 7 classes of Pisces, first 3 classes, class Pterichthys, class Quackestae, class Acanthodi, these are extinct on Earth planet, these are verge on Earth planet. Means among 7 classes, 3 classes these are to be lost, 3 classes these are to be extinct on Earth planet. Only 4 classes still today survive. Among these 4 classes again, class Holocephali and class Dipnoi, these are to be few genera, these are to be reported, few genera these are to be found on Earth planet. In few years, these are also extinct on the Earth planet. The today's important class fifth class Holocephali. This Holocephali class, these are to be seen. Holocephali. See the figure. This fish, these are to be seen in inset. This figure is to be its appearance, these are to be look like, which is to be seen here. These fishes, these are the important. This fish, these are to be ghost shark, which is to be look like a ghost-like appearance, which is to be look like a ghost-like structure. Hence, these fishes, these are called as the ghost fishes. That is the chimera, which is to be seen in the figure. Which are the general characters of this class Holocephali? Which are the general characters of the class Holocephali? The word Holocephali derived from the Greek word holos, entire, and Latin word cephali means head. Entire head is to be present, complete head is present, hence these are called as Holocephali. The first general characters of the class Holocephali. The Holocephali are a very small, ancient group of highly specialized marine fishes. Holocephali are the very small, ancient group of highly specialized marine fishes. Ancient, a primitive type of class, very ancient types of class, which is to be found on Earth planet, which is to be found in marine water, which is to be found in seas and oceans. Next character, these fishes have a shark-like body with a relatively large compressed head. These fishes have a shark-like body with a relatively large compressed head, a small mouth and large eyes. Mouth is to be small on ventral side and eyes are large. Means head is compressed, mouth is small and eyes are large. Such fishes, these are to present, these are to found from this class Holocephali. Endoskeleton is cartilaginous, often ossified. Endoskeleton of class Holocephali. This endoskeleton is to be cartilaginous. Sometimes or often it is to be ossified, sometimes it is to be bony. Next character, notochord is persistent and poorly developed in vertebrates. The interesting character, notochord is persistent, but which this notochord is persistent and poorly developed vertebrae. those vertebrae which is to be present in this class animal, those vertebrae which is to be developed in this class animal, these vertebrae, these are to be poorly developed, because notochord is persistent and poorly developed vertebrae, these are to be found in this class. Next character, palatocordate fused to the neurocranium. In this class species, holocephalian fishes, palatocordate, these are to be fused to the neurocranium. Palatocordate, these are to be fused to the, that is neurocranium. Neurocranium, that is the cranium or the internal part of the brain which is to be attached to the palatocordate. Next character of this class, 4 gill slits on each side, 4 gill slits on each side, and opens a single gill opening, and opens a single gill opening, these are to be present, these are to be open. 4 gill slits on each side and opens a single gill opening which are covered by fleshy operculum. Means in this class members operculum is present, in this class member operculum is to be found. Hence these class species, that is operculum is present, these class species operculum is to be found. External branchial aperture is to be single, and all gills, these are to be opened by a fleshy covering, covered operculum, that is operculum is present. Next character, the mouth in holocephalian is small. Mouth in holocephalian is small and ventral as compared to the mouth of elasmobranchi. As compared to the mouth of elasmobranchi, mouth of holocephalian, these are ventral and small and on ventral side. Skin is smooth, silvery, and placoid scales occur in patches. Skin is smooth, skin is silvery, and placoid scales occur in patches. As in chimera, fish, skin is smooth, silvery, and on patches, on some intervals, placoid scales are present, and these are to be present in patches. In other fishes body, skin is naked and scales are absent. In other fishes, that is rabbit fish and elephant fishes, in these rabbit fish and elephant fishes, the scales are absent and body is to be naked, covered by thick skin. The next character, spiracles are absent and eyes are large in size. In this class, spiracles, that is we have seen in elasmobranchi. Elasmobranchi, 5 to 7 pairs of gill slits are present, in which first gill slit, these are to be changed into spiracles. Whereas in holocephaly, such spiracles are absent and eyes are large in size. Eyes are large in size. The urogenital aperture and the anus are separate and there is no cloaca. Again, it is the advanced character as compared to the elasmobranchi and as compared to the other classes. That is 3 separate opening: anal opening, genital opening, and the urinary opening. These 3 openings, these are to be separated, open outside the body. That's why urogenital aperture and the anus are separate and there is no cloaca. Hence, it is the advanced character as compared to the class elasmobranchi. Single nasal opening is present. Again, in this class members, single nasal opening is present. Next character, jaws with tooth plates. On jaws, teeth, these are to present. On jaws, teeth, these are to be occur. Teeth united to form crushing. Teeth, these are to be plates, crushing plates, divide of enamel. This is an adaptation for crushing animals. Jaws with tooth plates and teeth united to form crushing plates. These crushing plates, these are to be advanced adaptation for the crushing animals, because these teeth, these are to be divide of enamel, means enamel, these are to be absent on the tooth, absent on the teeth. Jaw suspension is holostylic. Jaw suspension is holostylic, that is the upper jaw is immovably united with cranium. Upper jaw is immovably united with cranium, hence the name holocephaly. Hence the name holocephaly, these are to be seen, these are to be found. Median and paired fins are well developed. Median fins, that is dorsal fin, anal fin and caudal fin, as well as paired fins, pectoral fin and pelvic fins. These are well developed. These are well formed. Second dorsal fin in chimera is fairly long. In chimera, second dorsal fin is to be fairly long, and pectoral fins are large and pelvics are small. Pectoral fins are large and pelvics are small. This pectoral fin, these are to be modified in chimera. With the help of this pectoral fin, the fish, these can be flying in water. The fin, these fish can be swim from one place to another place. It is the over adaptation for elasmobranch. Tail is generally heterocircle. Tail is generally heterocircle, means both upper lobe and lower lobe of caudal fin, these are to be unequal. Hence it is heterocircle. But in chimera, tail it appears to be diapicircle and in the form of whip-like structure. In the last figure we have seen that is the class, that is animal chimera. This chimera tail is to be a whip-like structure. See the figure which is to be, we have seen. In this figure, the fish which is to be seen here, that is the chimera fish, that is the ghost shark chimera. See the peculiar characters of this chimera. On head region, a frontal clasper which is to be present, which is the peculiar character. This frontal clasper, these are to be only present in male chimera and which is to be absent in female chimera. Mouth is to be ventral. In the first dorsal fin, these are to be spinous, which is to be used offensive and defensive purpose. And second dorsal fin, these are to be long up to a caudal fin. That's why dorsal, caudal and anal, these are to be confluent and form a diaphyseal tail. Forms a diaphyseal tail. These are to present, these are to be found. This is the pectoral fin. This pectoral fin, these are to be seen, these are to be found. This pectoral fin, these are to be long and well developed. This is the pelvic fin. This pelvic fin, these are to be base to the, that is scales, and just base to the pelvic fin, that is the claspers, these are to present. And these claspers, these are the male copulative organ. With the help of this sexual dimorphic character, we can identify, we can recognize whether the fish is to be male chimera or it is to be female chimera. That is the clasper, these are to present, and these clasper, these are to be identified. This is complete shark, that is the ghost shark, these are to be seen, these are to be found. Kidney is ophistonephric, corresponding fundamental pattern of fishes. Kidney is ophistonephric type of kidney and corresponding the fundamental pattern of fishes. Lateral line system is well developed with open grooves. Lateral line system is well developed with open grooves in chimera and closed groove in other fishes. Sexual dimorphism is well marked. Males with copulative organs called as clasper. Males with copulative organs called as the clasper. These clasper, these are to present, these are to be found among this, that is the chimera. A peculiar frontal clasper is present on the head of the male chimera. The function of this clasper is not known. This peculiar frontal clasper, these are to be absent in female chimera, only present in the male chimera. Similarly, sexual dimorphic character, that is the claspers are present in male chimera and claspers are absent in female chimera, which is to present in just base to the pelvic fin. The holocephalians are oviparous. They lay the eggs. Their eggs are characteristics again. Those eggs, these are to be liberated. Those eggs, these are to be bred by these holocephalians. These eggs are very characteristics. That is, these are spindle shaped and enclosed in a horny capsule. All eggs, these are to be enclosed in a horny capsule, enclosed or the circulations, and among these horny capsule covering, the eggs, these are to be covered eggs, these are capsule eggs, these are to be present. That is, this is another important character. Then fertilization is internal and the cleavage are holoblastic. Fertilization is internal and cleavage are holoblastic. Holoblastic, that is complete cut down, these are to be occur in the cleavage. And fertilization internal inside the female's body, that is union of male gamete and female gamete, these are to be seen, it is to be. Examples of this holocephalin, these are the chimera, it is called as ratfish. Examples, that is the rabbit fish, and example, that is the elephant fishes. Rabbit fish and these elephant fishes, these are to look like a rabbit like, hence it is called as rabbit fish, or the elephant fishes, these are to look like elephant like structure. This is the rabbit fish which is to be seen. This rabbit which is to be look like a rabbit like structure, that is, this is to be a fish, rabbit fishes, these are to be found, these are to be seen. See, this is the ghost shark chimera. Ghost shark chimera, these are to be look like a ghost like appearance. Eyes are to be large. Rostrum, these are to be pointed. Two dorsal fin, these are to present. First dorsal and second dorsal, and pectoral fin, these are to be long, which is to be large. And tail is to be whip like structure. Tail is to be long, a whip like appearance, these are to be seen. See, this is another a movement of this ghost shark which is to be observed, which is to be seen. With this, these different shark which is to be, or with different holocephalians which is to be seen here, study here. The important ancient class, important primitive class, that is the class Holocephaly. Class, fifth class Holocephaly. Here we have completed, here we have seen here. Yes, thank you.